a jolt and then you'll die.
Most campers can count the number of LED lanterns they've bought by the number of summers they've camped. Why? Because until now, LED lanterns didn't hold up to life in the great and sometimes tough outdoors. That's why Zippo Outdoor engineered the rugged lantern. It's made to take what the outdoors dishes out. Now, the only thing that'll put this LED lantern out is the off switch. The rugged lantern is waterproof and floats, so it'll survive a dunk in the lake or a downpour. The rugged lantern shines bright under any conditions and has a dimmer switch to extend battery life. And the light keeps shining. There's no need to buy and re-buy batteries. The rechargeable lithium-ion battery provides hours and hours of powerful LED lighting. The rubber corners work together with stainless steel bars to help the rugged lantern survive drops up to 5 feet. The rechargeable lithium-ion battery lasts for hours, 10 hours on the brightest setting, 15 hours at medium, and up to 40 hours at the lowest setting. And the battery indicator LED lets you know when the rugged lantern needs charging, is charging, and when it's fully charged. The large on-off button lets you easily change brightness settings as well as activate the SOS signal mode. The soft glow diffuser is a feature that makes it easy on the eyes. And the detachable handle helps you hang the rugged lantern with a snap. It floats and has an IPX7 waterproof rating, so you don't have to worry about a drop in the lake or sudden rainstorm. The rugged lantern from Zippo Outdoor. Drop it, bounce it, drench it, and dunk it, and it'll keep shining light on your camping adventures for years.
This is the Schrade SCAXE9 Locking Saw Axe. Versatility is at the heart of this 18-inch axe, with a Ti-nitride-coated axe head with a 3.27-inch blade, hammer pommel, and 12-inch wood saw. The SCAXE9 eagerly takes on a host of outdoor chores. The titanium-coated stainless steel head is shaped from 3CR13 steel, tough enough to absorb high-impact blows. The blade is easily resharpened. Use the pommel on the back side of the head to drive stakes or as a crushing tool. The black, glass fiber-filled full-length PA handle is molded to the axe head for durability and increased safety. Use a low grip on the handle for power strokes. For increased control, slide your hand up the handle shaft to just below the axe head, where a gentle contour offers a comfortable grip. Pop the saw blade safety snap and press the button at the base of the handle to release the integrated wood saw. A nail nick in the saw blade lets you easily rotate the blade into either of two locking positions. The 12-inch blade's sharp teeth chew through wood, making short work of cutting tasks, where a good saw comes in handy. To return the blade back into the handle of the SCAXE9, simply hold down the release button as you rotate the saw so that it rests protected in the handle. Snap the retaining strap for added safety. A black nylon belt sheath lets you carry the axe comfortably at your side while protecting the blade from dirt and grime. A versatile axe for camp, farm, or home, crafted from premium materials and built for a lifetime. This is the Schrade SCAXE9 Locking Saw Axe.
Hi everyone, this is the Looft Lighter X, the world's first battery-powered and all-electric fire lighter. It has the same efficiency as the original Looft Lighter 1, but now with the freedom of being cordless. It takes 2 hours to charge the 36-volt lithium battery pack, and on one charge you can light your grill or your fireplace 10 times. Now you can bring the fire to your tailgate event, to your outdoor adventure, to your family picnic, or just what I'm about to do here, go light up my backyard grill. Okay, so you turn on the device by pressing the on-off button located under the handle, and the device is now activated, and you can start using your Looft Lighter X. So touch the charcoal and press the button. The fan speed will automatically increase after 15 seconds, and when you choose, you can switch over to boost mode to spread the fire throughout the pile. And that's it. After 60 seconds, your charcoal is ignited. And when you're done using your Looft Lighter X, just place it back in your charger. Good luck grilling, and thank you so much.
Introducing the Utensil tree. It goes where cooks go, near the fire, to keep cooking essentials handy and off the ground. The Utensil tree holds your camp towels. It has a place to prop marshmallow and hot dog sticks. The top rim is scalloped to keep items from rolling off. Drainage holes make it easy to clean up spills inside the tray or drain off rain from sudden cloudbursts. Down below, greasy utensils hang off of the ground and off of clean surfaces like picnic tables. Utensil tree's step bar pushes into the ground easily, wherever you need it, with just your foot, or into a patio base that can be filled with sand or water. Utensil tree has a durable 8-inch polymer tray with a scalloped top rim to keep items from rolling off. There's a metal towel holder with indentations to rest long utensils against the stand. It all sits on an adjustable powder-coated steel shaft that has an adjustable height 3-pronged hook for utensils. It breaks down for convenient transport and has its own carry bag. Somebody should have thought of this 1,000 barbecues ago. The Utensil tree is a natural for campfire cooks everywhere.
Introducing the revolutionary Gravity Series Charcoal Grill+Smoker by Masterbuilt. With its gravity-fed charcoal hopper, the Masterbuilt Gravity Series lets you own the flavor of charcoal and wood. You can fill the hopper with lumped charcoal, briquettes, even add your favorite wood. And as the fire burns, gravity does the work.
And that's enough time to knock out your honey-dos, along with some of your honey-don'ts. The next step towards your next great meal, light the charcoal. Then, pull out your command control.
The Masterbuilt Gravity Series digital fan system allows you to heat up to 225 degrees in under 7 minutes. The precise temperature control maintains your desired cooking temperature.
And now let's go low and slow. Bye-bye babysitting charcoal.
The Gravity Series Grill+Smoker allows you to ramp up to 700 degrees in just under 13 minutes.
Take your grilling experience to the next level. The Elite Stainless Steel Barbecue Tool Set from FireSense was built for the master griller. The hand-picked 13-piece barbecue tool set and apron carrying case makes this the essential set for any barbecue enthusiast. The heavy-duty charcoal canvas apron also doubles as a handy carrying case. The 50 milliliter marinade injector is made of clear plastic so you can see how much liquid has been injected. Plus, 2 stainless steel needles are included. The heavy-duty wide stainless steel spatula can easily flip a burger or steak and has a serrated edge for slicing. The attractive packwood handle has thumb and finger grooves perfectly placed for nice ergonomic feel and added control. The thick heavy-gauge stainless steel ensures the spatula will not bend when you lift a heavy cut of meat. No more of the bend, flop, or drop you get with cheap spatulas. The sturdy stainless steel tongs have a wider than usual head with gripping teeth for grabbing, flipping, and rotating. Again, the thickness of the stainless steel allows these tongs to handle any size and weight of meat without any bend, flop, or drop. The basting brush comes with an attractive packwood handle and has a removable silicone head for simple and easy cleaning. The stainless steel and packwood 3-pronged fork is perfect for poking and picking up your meats and vegetables. The durable stainless steel grill brush has wire bristles for cleaning and notches for scraping the grill. 6 stainless steel skewers feature a disc that make removing the food from the skewer easy. The professionally conceived Elite Stainless Steel Barbecue Tool Set is the perfect set for the barbecue master or beginning griller. The set is ideal for grilling at home or on the road at competitions, tailgate parties, or campgrounds. This top quality barbecue tool set will cover all your grilling needs for many years to come. FireSense, the fire of living.
It's time to upgrade your fire with the BioLite FirePit. A Bluetooth-controlled wood-burning system that can cook your meals and create an outdoor floating fire without any of the smoke. Central to the BioLite FirePit is the advanced airflow system. An integrated fan injects the fire with air across 51 jets, dramatically improving combustion by burning particulate matter before it has a chance to escape the fire. So you can go from spark to smokeless in under 30 seconds. The result? No more shuffling around your campfire to avoid plumes of smoke. Unlike typical fire pits you might encounter, the fire pit features X-ray mesh, giving you a 360-degree view of your flames. and creating the feel of a floating fire in nighttime conditions. The high-temp coated steel chamber can hold up to 4 pieces of cordwood at a time, and with the hyper-efficient burn, you get a roaring campfire with half the fuel typically required, so you can do more with less. Control the strength of your flames from the palm of your hand with the free BioLite app that talks to your airflow system to modulate fan speeds. The more air you introduce, the hotter the fire. The airflow pack can provide up to 24 hours of clean burning on a single charge, and it detaches for easy recharging via micro USB. Utilize the USB port on the side to connect BioLite lighting for a perfect outdoor setup. And when you're not burning, that same USB port doubles as a power bank, offering power in a pinch to your other devices. Exclusively for our Kickstarter backers, your pledge comes with a free integrated solar cover that automatically recharges the fire pit when not in use. Ready for the beach, the backyard, and beyond, the fire pit's folding legs and the solar cover's integrated straps make it easy to transport. If you can carry a cooler to your favorite outdoor spot, you can carry this no problem. Looking to cook with your campfire? We got you covered. The fire pit's dual fuel system can accommodate both charcoal or burn your firewood down to embers. And with the included grate top, your system transforms instantly into a hibachi-style grill for epic outdoor meals.
Introducing the Solo Stove Bonfire, a backyard fire pit like you've never seen before. The Bonfire uses the same patented design and technology as our other Solo Stoves, but it's our largest model yet. It's designed with a unique double wall, which allows airflow through the bottom holes of the bonfire to channel air to the bottom of the fire and up between the walls. This preheated air allows the fire to burn more complete, which results in a more efficient fire with very little smoke. A more efficient burn means you'll get more fire from your logs compared to an open fire pit. The Bonfire is super durable, made out of premium 304 stainless steel, and is backed by a lifetime guarantee. We can't wait to bring the soothing ambiance, the dancing flames, and the rustic smell of a glowing campfire straight to your backyard. We're excited to play a small part in bringing you together with family and friends in the outdoors. Become a backer and be the first to experience the Solo Stove Bonfire.